I have a Samsung dishwasher with a water wall. The bottom sprayers are not spraying. Appliance tech told me it was the water pump. I replaced the water pump and it is doing the same thing. I have replaced the magnet on the water wall itself, and that did not help. I cleaned out the trap on the outside of the appliance and still no help. I'm stuck now.
Can you guesstimate how old your Samsung is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3 years old DW80J7550 UGG.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I have already.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I'm just stuck on what else it could be. I found the piece that is attached to the pump that connects to the 3 hoses that shoot water. The 2 hoses that shoot water to the jets for the water wall are blocked and look to be controlled by a small motor that moves inside the cylinder to block the 2 outside jets. How do I know if the motor is bad? Well, the motor works. Well, I guess people don't answer questions on this page.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is. I look forward to helping you. See the diagram at the link below, specifically number 15. That is the water guide assembly that directs the water to each of the spray arms during the cycle. Click here. That part is most likely at fault. How are you determining that the lower wash arm is not spraying? The arms get fed at different times, so it can be difficult to tell.
Because only the bottom dishes are not getting cleaned from the bottom. My dishwasher is also blinking the blue light under the handle. It will do that 4 or 5 times, then continue with the cycle. You can set the dishwasher to only wash the bottom, and when you open the door, the water wall is always in the back position. I think it is going to be a motherboard problem.
Was there quite a bit of gunk in the base under the filter? I will get you instructions to run a diagnostic cycle and we can get a look at what is happening a bit better with that. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you, thank you.
No, not much gunk, and it was cleaned out a while ago. Samsung says they don't know what the blinking light means.
With the machine off, press the power key to turn the machine on. Press and hold the normal and lower keys for 7 seconds and any stored error code should come up on the display. Please post what errors are displayed.
Okay.
Thank you.
7C. You are the first person from 10 different experts to tell me to do that. Wow.
Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you, thank you. That error means trouble with the vane assembly movement, which would explain why the lower rack is not cleaning. The attached pages show what is involved with diagnosing that error. See the link below. The motor is part of the number 2 assembly. Unfortunately, that part is no longer available. I think it would be prudent to perform the testing still, though, just to see if there may be a wiring issue or something that will not require that motor. Click here. If you intend to perform this in-depth testing, I can send you the entire manual for you to proceed at your own timing and speed so you don't have to wait on me. Also, it will help with disassembly and access.
Please send me the manual. What if when you pull the water vane forward and motor brings it back? Do you think it could still be the motor? And does that magnet attached to the vane do anything? You have been so helpful compared to anybody I have talked to so far.
I will send you the manual that explains how the water vane works. I am sorry you have had trouble getting help with this so far. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you. Thank you.
No, thank you.
The complete service manual may be downloaded at the link below. Please let me know that it downloads okay for you. Also, see attached service bulletin for this exact error. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
Everything downloaded, thank you so much, and you definitely earned a 5-star from me.
Thank you so much.
I replaced the vane sensor, I'm getting the same error. I even put an extra magnet on the vane. Could the motor for the vane be bad even though it's moving the vane?
If it moves the vane, it is probably not the motor. It sounds like it may be a control issue or perhaps the wiring between the sensor and the control.
The motor does make a bad grinding sound. I bought a new control board, so I will attempt to install that when I get off of work.
Oh, well, if the motor is noisy, it would be suspect then.
When I get the money returned for the pump I bought, I will go ahead and buy a new vane motor just to cancel it out.
If it is noisy, it should be replaced in any case, so that would be a good idea.
Okay, thank you. Let you know the outcome.
Roger that, thank you. Sorry, this is not an easy fix, they can be a pain sometimes.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.